Hello, beautiful beings. Today I felt called to speak openly and freely about Inner Mountain, the Immersion. And at the core of everything I do, I believe in guiding humans back to true health through the lens of connection, nature, and simplicity. And so that's exactly what this experience is going to be about. And the reason why I didn't call it a retreat is because with a retreat, I feel like that word is about escaping something, retreating from something, rather than immersing yourself into an experience. And that's exactly what we're doing here. But it's less about how much we can do, how much we can fit in, how many activities there are, but rather how much can we integrate and embody what health, connection, and simplicity is all about. And to honor the seasonal shift that we have down here on the surf coast of Victoria. And that's why I'm hosting it in the middle of winter, which is also unique in itself. So it's over 2 days, nestled in nature, sitting around the fire, drinking organic tea, having those deep, intuitive conversations, but also allowing space for stillness, for you to be able to read, journal, sit with yourself, your thoughts, but in the energy that I believe truly shifts our belief systems, shifts paradigms, shifts our ways of thinking. So then you can carry that as an anchor for you to continue to integrate and embody throughout your life. And of course, there's going to be some incredible activities. We'll be guided by the beautiful Jaden through a breath, meditation, and sound experience. We'll be heading down to the local bathhouse for some contrast therapy. We'll be eating organic, in-season whole foods, sharing, cooking together. It'll be an opportunity for us to connect with nature, to protect the light environment, so it's focused on circadian health. We'll have some daily movement practices to feel into our body. And as I said, throughout the 2 days, there's going to be so much space, so much stillness for those shifts to happen. I can just imagine it now, all of us sitting around the fire, the crackle of the fire, the warmth of the fire, the stillness, the presence, the removal of the noise is where those shifts happen. And I will be leading, guiding, speaking when it feels called. But there's an invitation for you to do the same, for you to speak your truth Allow your authenticity to shine through. And that's what the energy is all about. There's also another epic surprise, but I can't tell you anything about that. But it's really cool. So who's it for? It's for anyone who's curious about health, curious about discovering themselves on a deeper level, who has a genuine pull to remove the noise, remove the distractions, and who may currently be feeling a little bit lost and confused with all the noise, all the conflicting information out there. And that's not what this is about. It's not about adding on more noise, giving you more information, but rather connecting to what you already know, connecting to your truth, and listening to our intuition, being guided by our intuition, creating the space for our intuition to come through, shine through. So this is my invitation to you. If you're feeling a little lost on your journey right now, a little conflicted and confused by the noise, overwhelmed, entangled in everything that's being projected right now, and you want to be surrounded by like-minded humans that understand you, who get you, who see you for who you are, then come and hang out. This is going to be an opportunity for you to build coherence in your inner world. That's why it's going to be an intimate experience. 6 people down here on the surf coast, sitting around the fire, eating beautiful in-season organic whole foods, and cultivating the energy, the authenticity, and the alignment for us to live the ultimate human experience. If you're feeling the call, all I ask is for you to listen to that call, to answer that call, and to get yourself in the room. There's currently 5 spots available, 2 pre-sale tickets left. Pre-sale tickets are $16.66. And then after those pre-sale tickets, it goes up to $19.99. Everything's included. You just need to get yourself there. So I'll see you on the surf coast. Big love. Peace.